Hello everyone, today I'm going to make these Crocs. The final animation will be at the end of the video. Not so long ago, a similar video was already released in my TikTok, but over time, reviewing it, I realized that I needed to redo the 3D model Crocs itself, and the animation was a little lame. Therefore, in this video I will deal with it. Crocs. The first thing I do is go to Google, to my favorite Sketchfab, to borrow a ready-made Crocs model from there. This one seems to be fine. Sole. To make such a sole, the first thing I do is add an SVG file labeled Crocs. After a little extrude it, and arrange it so that it looks nice. After that I converted it to mesh. I adjust it a little and turn it around the edges to give it a more streamlined shape. I add the remesh modifier and apply it, then add the subdivision surface. I gently smooth it out in sculpting mode, and then using a cloth, inflate brush, I inflate the letters. Once again, I adjust the sole to the shape, slightly changing the size of the letters and their rotation. I adjust the sole so that it does not stick out from the inside. Rivets. I'll make rivets just using a circle. Extrude it and reduce the size. After that, I give it a more rounded shape on both sides by moving the middle point using proportional editing in sphere mode. I place it in the right place and apply the subdivision surface modifier, adjusting the edges through Ctrl+R. I make a second rivet by simply copying the first one and placing it on the other side. After also using proportional editing, I adjust the Crocs inside a little. At this stage, Blender was closed, and since I was not saved, I had to redo everything again. Therefore, never forget to save your projects as you work on them. Texturing the sole. Texturing the sole took me quite a long time because I couldn't get a satisfactory result. I made several attempts to create dirt and scuffs, eventually abandoned the dirt. but added a gradient texture so that the lower part was darker than the upper part. In general, this is my first experience with such a material setup. The result looks like this. I got what I wanted. Texturing the rivets. In order to make rivets texture, I just used an image with CROCS logo. And with the help of color ramp, I changed the color to a more pink one to match the color of the clogs. Revision of the sole. I decided to modify the sole because the result looked strange. A small one was sticking out from under the large CROCS inscription, and there were gaps in the letters. So I just removed the extra elements first and shortened it. And then I extended it down to get rid of the gaps. And finally, the result. Thank you for watching this video. Write your opinion about my work in the comments. I will be grateful. See you soon.